What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change map size in Red Dead Redemption 2. Now doing this is pretty easy. First of all, we need to hold Alt key on our keyboard. On controller, keep holding down on your D-pad and then it will open these options on the bottom right corner. From these options, press the button shown on the next side of the map type. So let's say I wanna change my map type to the expanded. Then I need to keep holding Alt or down on my D-pad and then press the expanded key. For that we need to press X on my keyboard and then you can see the map type has been changed to the expanded. And to do the same on our controller, we need to keep holding down on our D-pad and then press the button shown next to the map type. So let's say I want regular map, then I need to press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation in order to change my map. If you want to completely disable it, then keep holding down or Alt on your controller and then press B or circle on your PlayStation controller in order to permanently off your map like this. So this is the entire process. Just keep holding down or Alt and then choose a map type. I wanna go to regular. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.